Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 360, Environment Manifest File in the PAC CLI. In our last tip, we looked at how, if you download and then upload back to the same Dataverse environment, the PAC CLI performs a delta upload, meaning only changed files are uploaded. In this tip, we'll look at how the environment manifest file is used to track these changes. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. When the Power Pages download command is run via the PAC CLI, in addition to files that represent the data in Dataverse, you'll also see a folder called .portalconfig created. In there, you'll see a file with a name that starts with the organization URL of the environment, followed by -manifest.yml. The file contains entries for all of your components, along with a checksum. If you are uploading back to the same environment that you downloaded from, the PAC CLI upload command uses that checksum to determine if the file for a component has changed. If not, that component isn't included in the upload. It also keeps track of if a component has been deleted since the last download. Don't check this manifest file into source control. It is really only intended to manage deployments from developers' local machines. In our next tip, we'll look at the other manifest file, used to track deleted files for other environments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 360 on Environment Manifest File in the PAC CLI useful.